Congrats Ankit for your success.
Thank you, sir.
So, how is your journey with BRN?
Very nice, sir. Day onwards, I am working lots. I am getting lots. I have lots of gaps in after completing my BTech.
Okay, what's your year of passed out?
I am 11 batch pass out.
2011. So,
Right.
what were you doing all these years?
Yes, sir. Just like my family business is there.
Okay.
I was spending on there,
Okay,
and due to some family issues,
okay,
I have not completed my journey on IT
Okay.
that time.
okay,
But after some time, I realized that I have to go in this field.
okay,
So just in that time I was searching some institute who can teach me like that, because I have many gaps.
okay,
So I have to fulfill those things.
Okay.
Because if you have a gap in technical fields, then it's not easy to get the job in IT fields. You
Oh.
have must in your skills, whatever technicals you have. So for that I was finding the institute.
okay,
And I got the BRN from YouTube.
okay,
So I see the lots of success stories.
okay,
So I believe that institute is good for me.
Okay.
So I came here
okay,
before 6 to 7 months,
okay,
and day onwards, what I was thinking, what I was expecting, I am getting it.
okay,
And right now today is our last session,
okay,
and I am much confident about that. Definitely I will be in
okay.
success.
So, first day of Ankit till today, what kind of difference that you have been observed technically?
Yes, because actually this is new field for me, because before that I was in college time work on .NET,
Okay,
but iPhone is always looking like so precious things, like Apple's phone. Everyone is using Apple desktop, is so much costly. So it's proud to be work on that field. Maybe it's expensive field, and as a proud of I am iOS developer like that.
okay,
It really good journey, and good what we can say, the supports of these institutes very nice. You
Okay.
have to spend 8 hours there,
okay,
and there is some trace application apps is there, where the teachers are tracking to you are doing your proper work or not, you are coming proper timing or not. So lots of things is there.
okay.
So they will guide you whatever you have to do to getting success in this field.
Okay. Before joining, definitely there must be some, hesitation or, doubt, because already you got a huge gap, right?
Right, sir.
So how did you trust BRN?
Yes, because I am new in Hyderabad in that time when I was here in before 6 months.
So where are you
talking
from
about.
basically?
I am from MP.
MP, Madhya
Yeah,
Pradesh, okay.
Yes. So it's not easy to trust, because first you have to face it, then you can trust.
Yes.
According to success story, yeah, definitely there is too much success story, but something comes in mind, maybe it is fake like that, whatever. But when I join here, I face our every month there is batch, not that much strength of batch, only selected candidates are there, 40 members are there, system is allocated for everyone,
Okay.
so supports are there, and you have to spend 8 hours there for in your field. Definitely everything is fine, sir.
Okay.
And right now I can suggest anyone, if you want to start your career, then definitely you come here, you will get better result as compared to anywhere.
Okay. Anyways, thanks for your feedback and all the best for your future.
Thank you, sir.
Congrats Ankit for your success.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
So what's your education?
Sir, I am B graduate
Okay.
and ECE branch.
Okay.
2019 pass out.
Okay. Where are you from?
I am from Indore, basically. We can say nearest IT city is Indore.
Okay.
Place.
So how come Indore to Hyderabad?
Sir, we got to know through internet. Actually, I am searching for the institutes, like I wanted to take an iOS internship.
Okay.
So I am searching for institutes in Hyderabad.
Okay.
Because I just came to know that Hyderabad is good for IT languages trainings.
Okay.
So I am searching for the institutes, and I go through with the BRN INFOTECH,
Okay.
and I found it is better place because the reviews are very good, and I have seen a lot of YouTube videos also.
Okay.
So I came here for that.
Okay. How is the journey with BRN? 4 months of journey.
It was pretty fine, and I just get trained very well, and I don't think I can train better than BRN work anywhere else.
Okay. So first day of Ankit till today, what kind of difference that you have been observed technically?
So technically in programming, Swift programming, I am very strong
Okay.
as compared to first day. And the first day I was thinking that how do I get to manage in programming, because I am not from the computer science branch.
Okay.
So I am very confident in Swift as compared from the initial days.
Okay. So before joining BRN, you must be having some doubt whether you will get a success or not. But before completing the course, already you got the job. So how do you feel now?
I am very happy because I got a job before completion of the course.
Okay.
So I'm very happy, and I am, as I started working here, I just get confident that I will get a job for sure.
Okay.
And the teaching environment and the training environment is very nice, and it's a real-time training.
Okay.
So we have to work 8 hours, and everyone can get a job if you work 8 hours per day, and based on that you can get the job easily.
Okay. What is the difference between normal trainings and BRN INFOTECH training?
Sir, BRN provides real-time training, like you have to work 8 hours, otherwise your system get logs.
Okay.
And it means you have to maintain 8 hours time, like we have to check in, if I check in at the 10, we have to maintain 8 hours.
Okay.
Right? We have to work till 6.
Okay.
So this is the main cost to improve your skills.
Okay. You told me that you have seen a lot of success videos on YouTube. Now your success video is going to on YouTube. How do you feel now?
I'm very happy because I get a job. That's why I'm very happy as of now, and I've seen a lot of videos.
Okay.
So my video must be there. That is a good thing.
Okay. What do you suggest to the people who are looking for good careers?
So please, you can join BRN, and you will get better training as compared to any other institute.
Okay. Anyways, thanks for your feedback and all the best for your future.
Thank you, sir.